Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a little interior cleaning. It's just a maintenance. Not really going to be dirty, but I haven't wiped down the interior in a while. And we're going to try Detail Co. Detail Company? Detail Co. This one is called Sword. It's their interior cleaner. And this is a concentrated bottle, 16-ounce bottle here. So you can use this like 1 to 10, 1 to 5 straight if you want. And you can use this pretty much all over your interior the way I understand it. Here, I've got about 15 ounces of water. And I've got about 1.5 ounces of product. That'll make it at 1 to 10 basically. So let's put that in there. Now we're ready to go. I'm going to be using a little Auto Fiber Scrub Ninja and a towel, and I'm just gonna shake this up. We're gonna go around, clean up, wipe down the interior. You can use this. I even heard on windows. Now I don't know if you can use this on tint, but I think you can. Well, I don't want to tell you that, so I'm not real sure. Detail Co. If you see this, let us know if you can use this on tint. All right, guys. So we've got the product made up. Let's get some of the. Let's get it sprayed on here. And let's just try it out. Now this is a 1 to 10. And if your stuff's really dirty, then go ahead and make it stronger. This is just a wipe down. I want to do a light scrub and a wipe, and then a dry. I want to see. Oh yeah, that feels good afterward. It feels nice. Now I see this probably could foam. You make it a little bit stronger if you want. Like I said, it's only at 1 to 10. And I'm not using like a foaming type of brush here. I'm just scrubbing a little bit, cleaning up. So I like the way that feels on the seats, guys. Very, very nice. Yeah, that's fast. It looks nice and clean. All right, now let's go into a quick mode. I don't like to spray things, but let's just try it here. I'm gonna spray that down. Let's do a nice wipe down. It's a little mark here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Took that right out. Now, Sword can be used even on your carpets and your upholstery. And they make another product that's called Shield that'll help protect it. Oh, that's nice though. For a nice quick wipe down. I like that. All right, let's spray a little bit into here. Spray a little like this. I just want to test this product out and see. I normally don't do this, but yeah, it does do some nice setting. Now this is at 1 to 10. You get yourself a little brush. Look at that. This is a Suds Buds brush. So yes, it will suds up. That's at a 1 to 10 ratio. Nice. I don't get a whole lot of scent out of this, but it does clean fairly well. Very nice. There's no greasiness to it. It's good. All right, let's spray some onto the towel and do it probably the way I would really go about cleaning stuff. So I would just wet it and wipe down everything. I'm even gonna hit the Navi because I ain't scared. I know Detail Co.'s got it down right. You guys can tell me different. Let's get these windows. These are tinted. There's a little bit of grease. Someone's forehead was there. Let me put it to a dry side. Nice. Yeah, that looks good. All right, let's get this wet. Let's get this going. Let's spray some on here. We'll just spray this everywhere. What the heck? Let's do a nice little scrub where all the arms and legs and butts touch. We got this here. Let's get this wiped nice, easy. Let's come on over here to the door. And then we'll come back and we'll wipe the seats. Guys, this stuff's pretty good, pretty easy to use. I wish it had more of a scent, but everything cleans up real nice and easy. Very good. I like it. Not overly crazy, but you can make it overly crazy. Just don't dilute it as much. All right, guys. So we use this Sword at 10-to-1 from the Detail Company on the leather, on the door panels, on the dashboard, on the glass, on the tint, on the Navi screen, and it works good. It works real good at 10-to-1. If you want it stronger, make it 5-to-1, or you can use it neat, straight up. But I just put it in there. That'll last me a while. I used it with the Auto Scrub Ninja. I used it with the brush from Suds Buds. I used it straight with the towel, just wipe on and wipe off. It did really, really nice. And at 10-to-1, it still foamed pretty decently with the brush. So if you like foam, just add a little bit more. I tell you, this would be a fast product just to use and do some quick cleaning. I didn't have anything real dirty. And maybe we'll try it on my floor mats sometime later in the future. But for a fast, concentrated product that you can dilute, you can make 10 bottles of this one. All right, if you dilute it at 10-to-1. So very, very cool. I wish it had a little more scent to it, but not everybody wants a bunch of scent in their car. So for that, I understand. And go over to Detail Company. Check them out. That's called Sword. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you've tried it and then what you think.